Goa government has recently notified Goa Chief Minister's Apprenticeship Scheme for a government establishment 2023 to increase the employability of a Goan youth having a 15 years residence. Minimum stipend to be payable 5th to 10th standard rupees 8,000, 12th standard rupees 10,000. ITI with NCVT and NCVT holder will be paid 10,000. Vocational technicians will be paid 11,000 and diploma holders will be paid 12,000 and degree in any discipline will be paid 13,000. I appeal all the Goan youth to register on a NAPS portal. They have to register on a NAPS portal. There are the opportunities available across the government establishment. They have to search the opportunities, apply for the opportunities. Portal is a user friendly. They have to use the URL link www.apprenticeshipindia.gov.in. Selection of a candidates will be done by the government establishment on first come first serve basis, and apprenticeship training will be considered as an experience in any government job. Honorable CM desires to issue 10,000 apprenticeship contract to Goan youth on 15th July 2023 being World Youth Skill Day. Tomorrow at 10:30 AM onwards, Honorable CM will be interacting live, available on a YouTube, and will address apprenticeship scheme. Yeah, he will interact from CMO's office, Mahalakshmi Bangalore.
So what is the use of this apprenticeship?
See, apprenticeship is considered as an experience. Most of the youth after graduation, they don't join anywhere, or no companies or establishment take them since they are freshers. By this scheme, we are putting them in an establishment, either a government or a private. By apprenticeship training, they'll get an experience.
So it's a fixed training of 1 year or something else?
It is depend upon the trade duration. It may be 1 year or more than 1 year, 3 months also. Some trainings is up to 1 year, 8 months as well as.
So how many industries or companies are registered for this?
416 companies are registered as on date.
416.
Yeah. And we are having a government 82 establishment. All the government establishment have created the opportunity. Only appeal to the candidates that they have to go to the establishment, search for opportunities and apply for the opportunities.
After finishing 1 year, it will be renewed, or they have to search for new job?
No. After 1 year, it is a fixed term. After 1 year, it is a training. With this experience, they have to apply somewhere. The main intention of the scheme is to increase the employability of a Goan youth.
So that 1 year will be counted as experience?
Experience in any job.
So a person taking training in private sector has a chance to get a job in government?
Yes, it is considered for a government job. Experience.
So total 10,000 apprenticeships will be registered by CM?
No, any number of candidates can be registered on the portal, but 5,000 Honorable CM will issue a contract for a government establishment and 5,000 for a private establishment. And more details CM will interact tomorrow 10:30 AM onwards. Those who wanted to interact with Honorable CM, they can go to the nearest village panchayat or a municipalities, so that through Swayambhur Mitra they can interact.
So Swayambhur Mitra
10:30 AM onwards.
So Swayambhur
Mitras are available tomorrow to all panchayats 10:30 AM onwards.